welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 126. The chairman said an advertisement had been inserted in the local press inviting the residents to give substantial subscriptions to a central fund, and the amount subscribed being out of all proportion to expectations, there was now no fear of a deficiency, and there would be no difficulty in discharging all initial expenses. Full stop. Among the observations made by the speakers, those of Dr. Rawson were the most practicable, and we hope they will have a wide publication. Full stop. He gave a description of a scheme somewhat different from ours and led the audience to follow its applicability to the present case. Full stop. Of course, Mr. Smith, who is very far from being deficient in eloquence and who is a practiced speaker, had some wild statements to make, and spoke of the evils of the disproportion in which the enjoyments of life are distributed. Full stop. His speeches are very unsubstantial, but as a performer of the ludicrous, it would be difficult to find his equal either in this country or in any republic. Full stop. When the next edition of the local paper is published, I will forward you a copy and you will be able to realize how unflattering he is in his remarks about what he calls the disproportionate distribution of wealth. Full stop.